This is Jimmy Baja, Columbus, Ohio, 614-470-2356. This is the set of arms that I'm selling. Right here, these are 5 inches extended. This is the biggest long travel kit ever made for this truck right here. You're going to be able to use all the factory pivot points on this truck right here. Now that bushing happens to be 20 years old and I don't have the other side hooked up. This is just a temporary hookup to show you that the lower control arms will work on this truck. This actually has the factory Nissan bushing. That bushing has been in here since 1990. It has 220,000 miles on it and it still has torsional twist. We're actually going to reuse that bushing right there. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to set these shock hoops right here up. The upper shock will allow you to use factory style shocks, and this one right here is going to be for, you know, Fox, Bilstein, something like that, longer shocks with the use of hoops. Now I actually recommend using the torsion bars in this truck, swayaways. These are the torque arms. That creates one huge pivot point. You have a pivot point here, you have a pivot point here, and you have a pivot point 34 inches back into the chassis that this actually goes around the frame. Okay, that makes this truck as strong as it can be. When you delete the torsion bars, now you're living off of 2 pivot points, and when urethane bushings, I guarantee you, are junk. So anyway, these bushings are quite tough. It's going to be the toughest thing that you can get for this truck unless you do a uniball conversion, all that kind of stuff. All right, so the upper control arms are self-welded. I have those tack welded, all ready to go. They're pre-cut and everything. I will not sell this kit on eBay. I only advertise it on eBay. You can look at it there, but basically it is factory direct. 614-470-2356. This is the last kit I have. It is the last one that I'm making. Okay, I'm actually going to take this off and put the original factory control, or I mean the my original 4-inch wide per side long travel kit on this, because I do not want to do a shock hoop and you know, coil over conversion. So this right here, by using light rate, spring rate coilover shocks of about 50 or 60 pounds per inch, that's going to allow you to use torsion bars in this truck. And the coilover shocks are going to be used just to take some of the stress off of the torsion bars. That way you don't max out the torsion bars. And that's going to allow you to share the load between the stock chassis and the chassis back there. That's the way this truck was designed, and that's the way it is the strongest if you are using a all stock chassis. Again, this is Jimmy Baja, 614-470-2356.